warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss. I'm fine.
I hope you are all feeling well and ready to learn. Before we start, let me check the attendance. When I call your name, please say present or raise your hand. Great, thank you. Today we are going to learn about atoms, elements, and compounds. This topic is very important because it helps us understand what everything around is made of. So please listen carefully and don't hesitate to ask questions. Alright, let's begin our lesson. Alright class, today we are going to learn about atoms, elements, and compounds. Before we begin, look at this picture. This is an atom, and each atom, and a hydroxide. Think about this question. What do you think everything around us is made of? If we keep dividing something into smaller and smaller pieces, do you think there is a small part? And one more thing, why is water different from oxygen and even talk about our substance? Well, so today listen, we will find the answer. First, let's start with atoms. Atoms are the smallest building blocks of all matter. Everything tables, air, water, even our bodies is made of atoms. Examples of atoms are hydrogen and oxygen. Next is elements. An element is a substance made of only of type of atom. Elements cannot be broken down chemically into simpler substance. Examples include O2, V, and AU. Even though O2 contains two atoms, both are oxygen atoms, so it is still an element. Lastly, we have compounds. Compounds are made of two or more different elements chemically bonded together. For example, hydrogen oxide made of hydrogen and oxygen, carbon dioxide made of carbon and oxygen, and sodium chloride made of sodium and chlorine. That's why the properties of a compound can be very different from the elements that form it. Now, look at these three cards: oxygen, carbon dioxide, and sodium chloride. Which one is an element? Why? And which one are compounds? How do you know?
O is an elementary because it contains only one type of atom, carbon dioxide, and sodium chloride. Are compound because they are made of different elements.
Yes, that's correct. O is an element because it contains only one type of atom. Sodium chloride and carbon dioxide are compounds because they are made of different elements. Now let's watch a short video about how atoms form elements and compounds. Pay attention to the shapes and arrangements of the atoms. After watching, think about this: what is main difference between an element and a compound? Now it's time for your worksheet. There are two parts: matching the terms with their definition and sorting the example into atoms, element, or compound. Word individually, and if you have questions, I will walk around to help. Alright, before we finish, let's summary today's lesson. An atom is the small part of matter. An element is made of one type of atom. A compound is made of two or more different elements chemically bonded. Alright class, our lesson for today ends here. Thank you for your attention and participation. Before we leave, does anyone have any final question? If not, please make sure you review today's topic at home. Great job today everyone. See you in the next class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.